Hey, this is Sean Michael Lewis. Today I want to talk about hiring shit candidates. Yeah, you heard me. This is, as I traveled the country and met with several business owners, from franchise owners to independent businesses, I see so often the need to just kind of fill roles and responsibilities on the employee or team member chart that is strictly focused on just putting a warm body in place. And this is really costing companies a lot of money and a lot of lack of opportunity for growth. And that's one thing I want you to really look at as you analyze your company, analyze your culture. Do you have cancerous type people in your company? Do you have people that maybe need to just not be with your company anymore? I get it. Firing and rehiring is definitely a difficult process. It's great and it's easy to hire, but it's so hard to fire. And I say this because even in the past in our company here at Tier Level and other businesses that we own, we've had to go through that rotation of either letting somebody go or having to actually fire them. And it's definitely something that can put a lot of stress and pressure on you as a leader. So, that's one thing I want you to really analyze. Do you need to fire somebody in your company? Do you need to put somebody in place that can be more effective, more productive, that can take your company from here to here and help you grow at a faster rate? Think about that. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at Sean@tierlevel.com. Hope you guys are doing well. Talk to you soon.